it's finally here. What? The video is here. Okay, thank you so much for even tuning into my video and wanting to experience this journey with me. By the title, you already know what it is. It's your girl's hair tutorial. I know I've been getting a lot of requests about this since even wanted to do a YouTube channel, so I hope you guys love it, love it, love it. It's not too much, but it's just what I do and what works for my hair. Please enjoy it. Also, please subscribe, and also hit that bell button to know when I post. I will be posting regular. My goal is to post on Sundays, loves. Sundays. Please get ready for this journey. So let's kick into this video. Oh, and wait, please follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. I will be trying to post as regular on there. I am trying to get better with social media. We're gonna do this year. Okay, loves, enjoy the video. Boop. So once I am out of the shower, I usually tie my hair up with a t-shirt to eliminate frizz. And in the shower, I twist up my hair into 2 twisties just to help section my hair off. My hair gets really tangled. I'm telling you guys right now, really tangled fast, especially since it's gotten longer over the years. Next, I actually apply some oil. Today I have olive oil. I do kind of switch up my oils just depending on what we buy, to be 100% honest. But we usually buy olive oil from the beauty supply store in this jumbo that my sister actually found. And I apply it all over my hair. Next, what I do is section off my hair in 2 sections. I make sure that the back is the smallest sections due to dryness and how matted my hair gets. The first product I'll be using is Jamaican Black Castor Oil, the Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using this for years, guys, years. This has been my go-to product for leave-in conditioners. I've tried multiple Shea Moisture leave-in conditioners, but for some reason this one does not weigh my hair down. It works wonders. The next product after that is my Marc Anthony's Coconut Oil Hydrating Cream. This helps with my curls, guys. This is a game changer. A little goes a long way with this product. I'm telling you guys, a little goes a long way with this product. I rake my fingers through my hair to make sure that every piece gets every product, and to clump it all together to make sure that my curls are defined all together. And this is what I do for my entire head. I have a little something special towards the end of the little trick that I do once I'm finished. I scrunch up both sides of my hair and I give a flip and massage the scalp to just make sure that all the product is in and that we have the curls clumped and combined together. We go to the left, we go to the right, we go forward, and we go backwards. This all helps with definition, guys. This really helps with definition. I will not diffuse my hair. I usually wait a whole day. It takes my hair a while to dry. So let's see what the final result is. You guys, I loved how it came out. I am so happy with the end results. This is about a day and a half later. It takes my hair a long time just to dry. So this is it. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching the first ever video. Please stay tuned for more and please subscribe. See you guys soon. Love you. Bye.